Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, Too Much Money Online. Today I want to walk you through step by step concerning how you can mine free Bitcoin right here with this website. I actually discovered this website newly and I just created an account and I've started mining with this website. So based on the research I've made earlier, this website is actually paying, but personally I have not experienced that because I am just getting started right now. So as you can see on my screen, I'm actually mining TRX right here. So this is how this website works. I just want to show you how it actually works. When you create an account with this website, with the link I leave in this video description, you will be directed to your dashboard right here. This is actually my own dashboard, right? So all I need to do is to come over here and click on mining. So when I click on mining right here, as you can see, it has started mining for me. So I just click on mining under Bitcoin. So you can see right here, it has actually started mining. Let's check it out right here. So you can see on the screen right here that this uh, Bitcoin is actually mining. All you need to do is to click on the first link in this video description, get registered on this website, and when you register on this website, the next thing you need to do is to come and click on this mining button right here. So as you can see right here, it has started mining Bitcoin for me. So all I need to do is to just go out there and relax, right? So this actually mine automatically. I just have to click on mine, then I can just close my browser and go to bed, right? So you can choose to mine Bitcoin. You can just scroll down, you can see Dogecoin right here, you can see Ethereum right here, you can see Litecoin, BTC, and USDD right here. So all you need to do is to use my link in this video description to get registered on this website. Start mining free BTC, right? So let's say you have mined up to the number which you need in order to place your withdrawal. So what you need to do is to just click on this three dot at this top left corner right here. So when you click on that, you'll be directed to this page. So all you need to do is to click on withdraw right here. So when you click on withdraw, you're going to see the minimum withdrawal which you actually need for each coin before you can place your withdrawal. So let's wait for it to load right now. So as you can see right here on my screen, the minimum withdrawal for Bitcoin is 0.0001, right? So let's scroll down and check for other coins, and you can see right here the Dogecoin, you need 20 Dogecoin in order to place your withdrawal. That is the minimum you need. And TRX, you need 100 TRX. The Litecoin, you need 0.03. The BNB, you need 0.1, and the USDD, you need 5 USDD in order to place your withdrawal. So what you need to do, guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. Currently I have not placed any withdrawal because I just registered newly and I've started mining. So what is going to happen is that use my link and register. Then when I claim, I'll making another video telling you how legit this website is. So that is how to do it here on this website. All you need to do is to come over to your dashboard right here. So when you get to your dashboard, click on mine. And what you need to understand is that you cannot mine two coins at the same time with this website. You cannot mine two coins, you just need to mine one, right? So you can choose to mine Bitcoin, you can choose to mine Dogecoin, you can choose to mine Ethereum, Litecoin, BTC, or USDD. So anyone that interests you, you can just come and click on the mining button under it, then it will start mining for you automatically. So this is the video for you guys. Make sure you use my link in the video description to get started. Thanks guys, I love you, love me best.